Hi, and thanks for tuning in to watch another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. I want to start off with just saying, wow, first quarter is a record-breaking quarter for EWI. Moving into second quarter, we're the fastest growing solid waste container cleaning manufacturer in the country. The fastest growing. This is huge for us as we only started this about 3.5 years ago. On the service side, we've been doing this business for about 5 years. So when you're shopping this business, thinking about doing this business, just know when you work with EWI, you're not just buying a piece of metal, you're actually working with a company and learning from a company who's gone out and done this work. Now, for those who are thinking about doing this business, we're not a franchise. We make you look the part as if you've been in this business for some time with our Turnkey Package. We build you a professional logo, the website, we have your custom wrap here. Really make you stand out as a startup company. Again, you're attached to a company who's been doing it out here in the service for just about 5 years now. So you're going to get to learn, again, what's worked for us and what hasn't. Our Kickstarter package, if you haven't read about it, please visit ecowashindustries.com. Take a look. It's the best value out there to help you start your business. And what helps EWI separate ourselves from others out there is we're a full in-house manufacturer. Now bringing everything, all the fabrication in-house allows us to offer you better product warranties, better customer service. Because we develop everything in-house, we're able to grow faster with the industry. So when solid waste companies demand a specific machine in order to maintain specific containers, because there's all types of different trash containers out there if you really think about it, we're the company that can develop on demand. So if you've been watching us for some time, I'm sure you're seeing our trucks evolve, and that's what's so exciting about being in this business. And the part of this industry is we're constantly evolving to make this industry work. So give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931. Please visit ecowashindustries.com. Again, this is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.